Blue light on my face, phone glow on the sheets. Typing out your name, then backspace, retreat. Coffee gone cold, ash in the tray. Every little buzz, but it's never your name. I keep staring at these red receipts, tiny ghosts where your words should be. Heart on hold in a dim lit room, waiting on a line that won't come through. I refresh, then let it die. Still I wait for a message that won't arrive. Clock says 2:09. Rain taps on the glass, replaying what I said. Did I move too fast? Your photo in the corner, smiles from last June. I talk into the dark like you'll answer soon. I keep staring at these red receipts, tiny ghost where your words should be. Heart on hold in a dim lit room, waiting on a line that won't come through. I refresh, then let it die. Still I wait for a message that won't arrive. Maybe you forgot, maybe you just changed. Maybe this is how stories fade away. Still I flip the screen, face down, then up. Same empty space where I called it love. I keep staring at these red receipts, tiny ghost where your words should be. Heart on hold in a dim lit room, waiting on a line that won't come through. I refresh, then let it die. Still I wait for a message that won't arrive. Still I wait for a message that won't arrive.